Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived two best friends named Sydney and Evelyn. They loved to play together and often came up with new ideas to make their games even more fun. One day, while they were playing in Sydney's backyard, they saw an old clock that her grandfather had left behind. As they examined it closely, they wondered if they could travel back in time to meet their favorite historical figures. Excited by this idea, Sydney and Evelyn got to work and started building a time machine using spare parts they found in Sydney's grandfather's garage. They worked tirelessly day and night, and finally their time machine was complete. The girls hopped inside the time machine, set the date and time they wanted to visit, and pressed a button. Suddenly, they were transported back in time to meet the great scientist, Albert Einstein. Einstein was amazed by their time machine and spent hours talking to the girls about science and the universe. After bidding farewell to Einstein, the girls went back to their own time and couldn't wait to share their adventure with their friends. From that day on, Sydney and Evelyn continued to invent and explore, using their time machine to visit different periods in history and learn about the world. Their incredible invention had opened up a whole new world of possibilities, and they were eager to see where their time machine would take them next.